Next one up is this rather filthy Suzuki V-Strom. This is from a local dealer, just taking it in trade. Not too sure why anybody would trade their bike in looking like this, as we are a phone call away. I'd imagine if you had spent a couple £100 with us cleaning this up, I guarantee you'd get triple in trade for it. Nevertheless, we're going to do our bit for it. She is hanging. That's all I can say. She is hanging. Doesn't even have a lot of miles on it, but doesn't look like it's ever been professionally cleaned or protected. This right here, folks, is exactly why you need to get your bike properly protected. Keep your investment looking its best. So we're going to do out of our legendary full Monty valets. We've got loads of painting bits and pieces to do. We're going to cover it next CP once we get it all clean, just so it's got a bit of protection on it. It will neutralize any rust that's on there now and prevent any further. That chain and shit is hanging. What the hell is all that? Anyways, let's get cracking. We got a bit of a polishing to do on this screen. It's all got marked up. While we polish up this gloss bit. That mud guard's looking a bit sad. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us on this one. There you go, another one trotted up for a local dealer. This rather filthy Suzuki V-Strom, now looking a different bike and ready for the showroom. This was a bit of a mess. Junior did this one, spent most of the afternoon yesterday, but she does look a bit better. Got a nice coating of XCP on it, managed to clean all that crap off the wheels. It was so built up with chain lube. It's not perfect, but so much better than it was previously. It's now saleable at least. Painted a few bits and pieces. Polished up that exhaust as best we could. It was pretty corroded. Did a machine polish on this windscreen to remove some of those scratches. Front mud guards had a machine polish. So yeah, all ready for collection.